Are you a woman?
So where it's written in the Quran? So where it's written? Where it is written in the Quran?
So, what
Where
we're
it
saying
is
now,
written in the Quran? So,
when we talk about Jesus and the Father, they're distinct from each other in some sense, right? You should be comfortable speaking about it. Why? Because you make that distinction, not me.
No, but you're from saying God's grace, so I want
We
to
have finished the
understand.
conversation.
No,
no, in the Quran it says you are saved by your works.
So if it's God's grace, right? That's
Let me
it.
finish. Let me finish.
He's so powerful.
They're trying to be
When it
honest.
comes to salvation,
No.
Muslims are saved by the grace of God. Now,
Is that true? If it's God's grace, why do you have to do all these pieties? Why do you have to do all these good works?
I've already told you the Islamic position, right? If you like it, not like it, I don't have a problem.
No, I want to
We don't like
understand.
it.
I want to
We
understand.
don't like it, but you explain why
What
do you
I'm
do
saying
it.
is,
That's all we want to
This is
know.
what it is. This discussion is now closed.
Arre,
because
who
you-
likes
No,
it?
why are you closing it?
We don't like it.
Question.
We don't like it.
Who is going to save us?
Ah,
Okay, I'll tell
who's
you
going
what.
to save you? Who's going to save you?
The Jews and
Muhammad or Allah?
When we are going, can you gonna? Would you mind, please? I'm
Ah.
asking you humbly.
Man, start run already, man. Why are you still here?
Now he's being
Let
humble.
your
Oh,
He's being
Christian
humble now.
compatriot
Yeah.
not to interrupt our discussion.
Okay. All right.
As long as you don't try to dictate how the conversation flows.
You don't tell her what to speak,
See?
okay? You give the free speech
All
to
of you
her.
Christians.
So, my dear
Birds of a
friends,
feather fly together.
my dear, why are you not answering him?
Muslims are going to run away together.
So here
Yeah.
is this.
Once you leave, we'll
All
all
of
run.
these Muslims.
Only God can save
We'll all
us.
run together.
No human beings.
When
No.
the lights
Yeah.
turn on, all
That is
run
why
together.
it is a pivotal importance to know who God is.
Let me show
That's
you.
Who God
the
is?
discussion I'm having with you.
Okay.
Who is God? Worthy of worship. And that's why I asked you.
No, wait.
Do you? That's why I asked you. Do you consider God to be self-sufficient?
Yes.
Because if we did not understand
Yes.
the very attribute of God, quality of God, we may be fooling ourselves in worshipping a tripod, a human being, tree, banana, whatever. That is why it's important to know who God is.
How about a
So,
black
who
rock?
is God? Who is God for you?
My question
Who
to
is
you
God
once
for
again
you?
is this.
So, who is God for you?
Jesus as a person,
You
you said he is knowledgeable.
Yes.
He has knowledge.
Yes.
You said he has will.
Yes.
I remember you agreed
Yes.
that.
Yes.
Now, my next
Tell
question
yes.
I asked you
Yes.
is, does he possess fullness of divinity? And you
Yes.
said yes.
Yes.
No, wait,
He
wait.
was
Did you
fully
say
God and fully man.
Wait,
Because
I don't know why you want to go to this.
I just told you why.
Before we did not establish. I had questions.
is your Allah fully divine?
So you are
Is your
uncomfortable
Allah fully
talking about
divine?
No.
She wants to
I
ask her questions.
Is your Allah fully divine? He was praying for Muhammad.
Islam, right? Because I don't understand. So I don't understand the aspect of the aspect of you trying to work.
I've dealt with work.
No. You have not dealt.
I
with
have.
it. Because I had follow.
Look,
No. I
you are
had follow up
following a
questions.
particular script.
So what
I'm
is
not
Allah according
I'm
to
not
you?
following
Who is
everything.
Allah according to
I'm
you?
asking questions.
Who
I'm
is
not
Allah
following-
according to
I'm
you?
asking questions.
I am telling you. I am asking you.
I'm telling you,
My
I'm
dear.
asking which one.
I'm asking you this. In terms of how we are saved, there's a mechanism.
What
right?
is the mechanism?
That's important, right?
Scientific mechanism. Scientific
You
mechanism.
don't do it.
What
if
is
you
the
don't do
mechanism?
it in your own
What is the
power.
scientific
He
mechanism?
doesn't want to
What
talk
I'm
about
saying,
this.
because I can't make you hear unless you speak louder because of her.
But but you have not answered my questions.
What I'm
Why?
saying, I am answering. There is a mechanism of being saved. I am saying, what is more important? Now you tell me what
That's important because how?
I'm asking a question that I can answer.
Okay, give her a chance.
What is more important?
Why are you not talking? Why he's only talking?
To know the mechanism.
What is the
of how you're
mechanism?
saved.
What is the mechanism?
He's going to say.
Okay, what is the mechanism according to you? What is the mechanism?
Who's going to serve you? If you're doing this in your own power, right? Why do you have to go to Mecca? Why do you have to go to
In
all
the
this?
Makkah,
Why do you have to
Makkah,
follow
there's
all
a
these
big hole.
religious?
They throw stones
These
to
steps,
Shaitan.
rituals.
In the
You
Makkah,
are
there's a
not
hole.
going
Wait.
You are
Why should you?
She's
If
not
it's
finished.
God's
Tell her.
grace,
She's not finished
hold
talking.
on. If it's
Don't
God's
point
grace,
me. Don't point me. You listen to her. What
if
is
it's
the-
God's grace that saves
Talking
you,
over her.
I can't hear you.
Stop
if
talking
it's
over her.
God's grace that saves you, why are you doing all these things? If it's God's grace, why do you have rituals and why do you have to go to Mecca? Why do you have to do all these things
Yeah.
if it's His grace
Why do you
that
have to go
saves you?
7 times around Makkah? That black box.
There should be no ritual for
Ah.
salvation.
Why?
No.
No.
So
You
why
are
should
saved by
there
grace
be a
There-
through
there
faith
can
in
be
Jesus
ritual for
Christ.
salvation.
You are
So
saved
why
by
is your
grace.
ritual
Oh, wait,
to
he's
stop?
jumping in? Can I jump in?
Yeah, so God can give you.
Okay.
Various
So
kinds
back
of
up.
The question he's asking is a little bit different.
This is what I'm saying.
He's asking
The
about how
difference-
you're saved.
So what is the
Not
difference?
about
Who will
rituals.
decide?
Who?
God will decide
Ah.
what ritual should
So
be
why do
there.
you go
Okay.
to Makkah?
But
Why do you go to
every
Makkah and kiss the
God
black
demands
stone?
random
We
actions.
Why
don't
do you
have
go to
rituals.
Makkah and kiss
We
the
don't
black
have
stone?
rituals.
Why do you go to
When you
Makkah?
put your trust
Why
in
do you go to
Jesus
Makkah?
Does God
Why
need
do you go to
rituals in
Makkah?
order to save you?
Oh, Sam.
Abed,
Does God need
why do
rituals
you
to
go
save you?
Makkah?
So,
You the
Oh no! Oh no! Wait! He only made it 3 minutes and 38 seconds. He couldn't even last 5 minutes. I am a prophet of Allah. Subhanallah. They're all gonna run. They're all gonna run away. Oh Lord! It's amazing.
Clowns and comedians.
So, just to confirm, I told the brother here that Lamin would not last 5 minutes. I was timing it. Sorry, Mansour wouldn't last 5 minutes. My apologies. I was timing it. He lasted for 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Dawah is destroyed, man. And like I said, when he left, they all left.
They all left.
Subhan.
Subhanallah.
Huh?
The girls left as well.
So,
The girls left as well.
I said
Also, your jokes
that when Lamin left, no, I mean Mansour left, everyone would leave. Now, I know you're wearing glasses, but there were more people here than before. Please shine them again and look again, okay?
No, I didn't notice.
My lady, please shine them again and look. Everyone's gone. Just saying. God bless you all.
Yeah, we love you.
God bless you, my dear. All right, so
Well done. Well done, Big Dave.
the conversation wasn't even all that interesting, but ultimately,
Mansour.
why keep going? Lamin? Sorry,
Mansour.
forget Lamin. It's Mansour. Mansour was running his old gag again. In fact, there was even a gentleman here who isn't even a Christian, and he knew the answers to the questions that Mansour was asking.
Wow.
Implying that even non-Christians are wise to the gags of the Dawagandists.
Right.
So they can't even convince non-Christians anymore of their position. Dawah is done.
You gotta improve your dawah.
Dawah is done.
Dawah is finito.
Dawah is finito. It's fin. It's gone. It's
done.
finished.
It's finished.
Gone.
Okay, bless.
And I might be a prophet. I'm just saying. I might be. In Islamic standards, I might be.
You might be. Well done, well done, well done, son. Well done. Well done. God bless.